everyone, welcome back.
Hi.
We have the rare occurrence to actually be able to record a video for the page.
What?
It's been a while since we've actually recorded videos.
Yes.
Been doing lives. We need to start doing more recorded videos, which that's coming up soon anyway. We have today an unbagging, unenveloping, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, of Bff Diamond painting pens. This is the pens that we got during the Pick a Blank last weekend, for Memorial Day weekend. They did a special Pick a Blank event, and we were lucky enough to get 5 of them. They are, from what we saw in the pictures, they're beautiful pens. We wanted to go ahead and unbag them because we absolutely love BFF Diamond painting pens. All of them out there. They're probably the best.
One of the best and fastest.
Yes, very quick shipping.
Her and Cadam and her, Joseph.
Joseph, okay.
Cadam and Joseph. I couldn't think of his name. Mom knows. But they are a duo, and I'm not sure who turns, but I know Cadam does a lot of work in the page, so advertising and doing the
admin part of it. I think he's one of them.
I think he's the turner, honestly. I think he's the one that turns the pens, which is a job itself.
Right.
So. Alright, here's 2.
There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't know which one to start off with.
This one.
That one, okay. Unwrap It, special, lovely assistant.
It's this one.
Yes, I love that one.
Ooh.
Beautiful, just
royal
nice
blue
with
with
stars.
white stars, with a 4-placer tip.
Yes.
And a single placer. This one is a chunky.
Yes, it is a chunky.
It's
beautiful.
It is very pretty.
Oh, there you go.
I'm seeing stars.
Seeing stars. Okay,
I like
pick
that one. I picked this one.
Okay.
I'll unwrap this one. See, they do wrap them very well in bubble wrap, which is taped very well.
Also,
and then they wrap them in tissue, which is wrapped all around and taped on there very well as well.
And if you have any issues with the tips, she usually is, she does give spares. Ooh,
this one has. Pretty. This one is. This is the pine cone one.
Is it the pine cone one?
Yeah, you can see the pine cone marks in there. This is the pine cone one. Yes, very sparkly. You can,
this way, so you can see.
Yeah, you can see the sparkles in the color. The camera's actually picking it up really well, but there's a lot more sparkle there than what's on the camera even.
That's the one I picked out, isn't it?
Yes, this is the first. This is the first or second one that we commented on.
But that's okay.
No, it's not chunky, but it is absolutely beautiful.
See, I've grown to love the chunkies better, but
it's got the pine cone embedded in here. You can kind of see bits of it, and in there. No, there's no texture to it. It's very smooth, very well polished.
I wonder if over time if it'll stay like that.
There's actually a little bit of texture right there where that piece of pine cone is right there.
She said that some of them would have texture, which
And you won't really feel it that much. It's not like it's something your finger catches on or whatever. Very beautiful pen. I love that one.
Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. Oh, I love this one already.
Ooh, so pretty. Lots of sparkles. Oh, that is gorgeous.
I believe this one was the one that Mom picked out, but I'm not sure.
It's kind of clear. You can kind of see into it. Like
it looks fat, huh?
It's a chunky, yep. But the rest of these ones are chunkies.
All those white areas you're seeing on screen are actually kind of clear in person, and the white is actually below the surface.
Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it in the tip here.
Cool. That is so awesome.
The camera is not doing it justice, but it's
at all
beautiful.
I love it.
But I think that one was Mom's. Okay.
I'd do this one.
I do one.
Okay, well, come on. There's mine.
Oh yes, that one there.
It's beautiful in person.
Gorgeous. That's a confetti pen.
It was I was kind of iffy when I chose the blank, but I'm like, oh, now it's beautiful. I love it.
It's lots of confetti-ish little shavings. It looks like shavings of other Like they cleaned up the shop floor of all the shavings and put it into a resin mold and made a blank out of it.
When I was questioning the blank when I saw it at first, because you know the blank didn't look as pretty as the pen does, but it's
That's
beautiful.
pretty. Yeah, they used like a rose-colored acrylic pigment in there, and looks like they took like a bunch of shavings off the shop floor after they turned a bunch of pens and just threw them into the acrylic and let it dry in there, and that's what it looks like.
It's beautiful.
That is awesome.
And I think Mom is excited over this one.
Take it. 1, 2, 3.
What? This is the one that Dave picked out, I think.
You better show the camera.
Hold on, I'm goo-gooing over it.
That's pretty.
Show the camera.
Again, more shavings.
It looks like it's more shavings with a more opaque colored resin.
That's beautiful. I was excited when I saw it.
Yes. So I'm going to let Mom pick out which chunky one she wants out of these two. No, it's chunky. You didn't like the chunkies. I don't know.
We got a bunch of chunkies. They're all four. These 4 here are all chunkies.
Yeah. This one was turned to chunky, and then I requested these ones as chunky because Mom and I prefer the chunkies.
Right, because my hands are just not.
My hands don't cramp as much with the chunkies, I noticed.
I like that one.
But I'll use them all. I'm just a diamond painting pen hoe, so.
But I like the one next to the stars.
There it is.
I like that one, but I also like the one next to the stars.
This one?
No,
this one.
That one.
Do you have this one then?
No.
And then this one.
That one's
get it
mine.
Up close.
So.
There, if you get it up close, you can really see the.
I don't know. Dang it! Why do you make me choose like that?
This one or that one? Which one's really calling me? It's not going to pick it up because there's so much busy in it.
It was. It's just kind of going in and out.
This one.
This one looks like it's got a piece of candy cane in it.
Yep. And then that one.
And the hair tie. Oh, I saved out a purple in this one. And there.
It's so pretty. Oh, I do feel the texture in it, actually.
A little bit. Yeah, it's not.
That's cool. Sorry. That's really cool.
What's this one?
You want the blue one? Okay.
And then here's this one up close.
But look.
Got purple in it.
And the hair tie. With candy cane.
It does look like a hair tie.
That's why I think I want it. Because I'm the hair tie queen here.
And then this one up close.
And a piece of candy cane. And some purple. Yeah, that one's mine.
Mom wants this one. Okay, that's settled. That means these ones are all mine. Just kidding. He picked that one. These two are mine. These two are mine.
She's not my kid at all.
I'm greedy.
I'll take these two. I like these two. I love that pine cone one. That actually is my favorite of all of them.
I picked out the pine cone one, but seeing it in person, the blank was prettier.
Here, let's put that one down here with them real quick, and we might get another.
She's like, no, you're not getting it back. You didn't give her.
Well, we're gonna give it back to her.
I know, but look.
No. We're gonna get our.
Do you want to take it off the plastic? That way it's maybe more less in and outy.
You got it in and outy.
Yeah.
There's our thumbnail.
Perfect. Welcome to the behind the scenes, fellas and ladies. How do you like my desk, by the way?
I love it. And your bunny sticker got a.
You know,
he got a he's bombed it. Photobomb.
Oh, photobomb. Yep.
Yep.
But yeah, go check her out. She's awesome.
Yes.
She has mass.
Thank you, Tatum.
Yeah, thank you, Tatum and Joseph. She does mass drops every other day or something like that.
I think this makes out of our collection of BFFs.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Come look. He's getting all of the BFFs. Just give us 10 minutes.
Those are mommies.
These ones are mom's.
Wait.
This one's mine.
Yep.
She's using it.
And
these are all BFFs. We don't have a problem. We don't have a problem. This one's mine, this one's mine, this one's mine, and these two are mine.
And those two on
these two are Mom's. And then we just kind of like share those ones.
And this is my absolute favorite one of all of them. That's my oil slick. With all that sparkle is real diamond dust.
Not that you're Diamond David or nothing.
This one's a BFF?
Yeah. Just saying.
Yes, that one is a BFF.
Oh, I need to replace the
Yeah,
tip.
I need to replace the tip on it. And this one here is also kind of another one of my favorites.
Oh, that one's beautiful.
I love that one. That one says the source.
You know my favorite one? I think is this one.
Yep.
And then, let's see, in order for, okay, this one's my favorite, and then it's this one, and then it's this one, and
You know
then
my
this
two are
one.
now third one is my favorite.
Your third
I
one?
like the Guggle Bum.
I like them all.
And these two here,
Glow in
the
the
draft, they both glow in the dark.
This one's wood and acrylic.
Yes, that's a hybrid. That's a nice one. And that's a hybrid too, because it's pine cone.
Does this one have diamond dust in it?
I don't think so. It's just glitter.
It's just sparkling.
Really fine glitter.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I like my Guggle Bum.
This one she calls Guggle Bum. It's acrylic. It's pure pink.
Sparkly.
Shiny.
Does it have sparkles in it?
Nope.
No.
It's solid pink. And then this one's called Purple Rain. I won this one on her 2,000 member giveaway. And
It actually is purple. The camera makes it look blue, but it's actually purple.
Mom didn't have an acrylic pen at the time, and I'm like, let me find a blank that she will like. And then I saw Purple Rain. I'm like, yes. It looks blue in camera.
Don't act like you know me.
Girl, I lived with you my whole life. But for some reason, it's picking up blue on camera.
But yours is blue and purple.
Yeah, mine's blue, purple, and white.
Maybe that's why.
But yeah, go check her out. They're awesome.
Yeah, we'll put the link down in the description. Its Facebook group is BFF Diamond Painting Pens. So if you don't click the link, just search on Facebook for BFF Diamond Painting Pens. And that's the group. They do mass drops 2 days a week. I think it's Mondays and Saturdays.
I don't remember. I know it's every other day, and then they do a blank.
Yeah, they do mass drops, and the easiest way to get one is through a mass drop. They will put up a bunch of pens in a separate post on each one. You just comment under the pen you want, my BFF. And then at the end of the event, usually in the evenings, for us it's like 7 p.m. Central Time, she cuts off the commenting, and she does a random number generator for the comments, and whoever's comment got the random number generator, then they win the right to buy the pen. You still have to buy the pen. You don't win the pen for free. You still have to buy it, but you have the right to buy that pen by being picked. And they're cheap. They're anywhere from 30, some are 25, some are 30, some are 35, some are 40, depending on the pen. It says it in the price. The price of it is in the post before you even comment. And the pictures of the exact pen you are going to get are in the pictures, because they're already turned, ready for them to ship out. Shipping is really fast. Comes from Reno, Nevada. Usually gets here to Grand Forks, North Dakota in roughly 2 to 3 days. It's very fast shipping.
This one took a week, but they were on a holiday, and some had to be turned.
Yeah, and
So.
she sends you an invoice as soon as the event is over. She sends you an invoice, and you pay it by PayPal, and the shipping label is printed almost immediately. You'll get the notification of the shipping label. She'll send you an email, or she'll send you a message through Facebook that it was shipped. It doesn't mean it left her house. It just means she printed the shipping label, and it's going to go out with the next time the mail goes out, and you'll get it 2 to 3 days.
Usually she has it out the next day after
Yeah.
you pay for it.
Usually.
Unless they have to be turned, or unless you pick something off of her shop that
She'll
needs
let you
turned.
know.
Yeah.
But she does keep in touch with you. And if you're not satisfied with the tips, like if they break during shipping, let her know. She's really good about that.
Yeah, I posted one on her page one time, the oil slick, when I got it, and I had a bunch of my pens sitting out, and I showed a picture of all of my pens in the group. And because we like to bend the tips I like to bend the tips for ease of use,
I'm the oddball.
She noticed it in the picture, and she messaged me privately and said, "Did your pens come to you that way?" And I'm like, "Oh no, they come to me straight. I bend them that way for ease of use." And I showed her how, I use them. Like, it's a whole lot easier to use it bent because it's a more natural hand position. And she was like, "Oh, okay. I was worried that they were getting bent in shipping." I'm like, "Nope, nothing at all wrong with your shipping. I do that myself."
I like mine straight.
So she really is concerned about her customers. I mean,
she cares.
She does.
They both do.
And she notices.
Yep.
She pays attention to the small details. Yeah.
So yeah, go check them out. BFF Diamond Painting Pens. This was our Memorial Day pick a blank haul. Well, not that one. I bought that one separately from her Etsy shop. But yep, check them out, and we'll get some more videos recorded here soon. We've got some unboxing coming this week before we go out of town. So till then, back on, y'all.
Toodles.
Bye, y'all.